Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And today is card day. So we are making this cute little friend card. I thought these little bumblebees were so cute. I've seen a few Stampin' Up! Demonstrators make these little bumblebees. And so I don't know who to give credit to the idea, but they were super adorable and I thought I had to share them because this is our Ladybug punch that makes these little bumblebees. So if you got that Ladybug bundle, you are going to be able to make these little bumblebees as well. So isn't that cute? And if you saw my post on Sunday, I used that hexagons for the box. That is the beautiful shapes dies that I used, and I'm using the beautiful shape dies for these little hexagons as well. Those are from this little, it cuts out 2 at a time. I cut out 12 and I think I put 11 on here, but yeah, you need to cut out these 6 times and get your little hexagons. And I did them all in Daffodil Delight. I did sponge the edges and I'll show you how I did all that in just a minute. All right, so let's get started. What you're going to need for this is a basic card, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. So for those that are new, it's 5.5 by 8.5, and you're going to score it at 4 1/4, and that gives you your card base. Then you're going to need some scrap basic black and some Daffodil Delight. That's to cut out your hexagons, and for your little bumblebee stripes, which I already cut the pieces. And I didn't watch their videos, so I'm not sure how they did theirs, but I cut 1/4 inch strips of Daffodil Delight. So you'll need some of those to make your little bumblebee. And then I'm using the Friendly Hello. This was free during Celebration. Celebration is, the last day was yesterday, Monday, the last day of February. So Celebration is now over. But if you got this, you can use this Hello Friend, or you can choose another sentiment of your liking. And then these are the beautiful shapes dies that I'm using. And this is what I used for my little bunny box. And it's so adorable. You have to go check that out. I'll link it somewhere in this video. But I use these larger ones. And I am using this one for this project, for this card. And then last, I'm using the classic matte dots. And that's what I used for some little embellishments on here. I can't speak well today. And you do need some of our vellum. I have been having a lot of problems with hives, and so I've been on a lot of antihistamines, so excuse me if I'm not all here. They make me so sleepy. If anybody has any good remedies for hives, I get them every once in a while. I don't know what causes them, but if anybody has good remedies for that, leave it in the comments. I would really appreciate that. All right, so we have all our hexagons cut out here. I'm going to use my little sponge dauber and some soft suede, and we are going to just sponge just the edges. I just wanted to have a little distinction between our hexagons, so we are going to sponge all the edges of all 12 of these. Okay, so they are all sponged and ready to go. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is stamp my sentiment. And I am using my Stamparatus for this, and I already set it up with the Hello Friend. This is the best way to get a nice, clean, crisp Hello Friend and sentiment and have it all lined up really nice. So it's going to go on this front here, so I am going to use some Memento Black for this. And I love that I can stamp this twice and get it to be really nice and sharp on here. So I am going to use this. And I'm going to do it one more time because it's not totally solid. If you don't have a Stamparatus, and especially if you're a new stamper, this is such a big help. And there you go. A nice, clean, crisp Hello Friend. All right, then we are going to start layering our little hexagons here, and then I'll show you how to make the little bee. So what I did with this is I popped up all of these, each one, so I put one dimensional on the backs of each one of these. Okay, so we have all the dimensionals on the back, and we are going to start layering these. Now I'm going to just start, I think I'm going to start at the bottom here, and the last one I started kind of in the middle, but I think if I just start on this end and just start layering these, there's no rhyme or reason to it, and I'm leaving a tiny space between each one. I just did it until I had it how I liked it. So you can do any pattern that you want, or you can make it in the shape of a little flower if you want. It also looks really cute as a little flower. Just put it all the way around. That would be cute too. But just start layering it how you like it. I'm going to do the end pieces last. Just try to leave the same amount of space between each one. See, you can just leave it like that, like a little flower. But I wanted it to extend a little bit further. And not such a perfect shape, you know what I mean? Wanted it kind of a different shape. So I'm going to do my last two on here. So I am going to put these here because I'm going to cut these last two. So you want to put your dimensionals more towards the end on these two, because we're going to flip it over and we are going to cut these off. Now they do have some in here that are halves, but these are a little bit more than half, so I just went ahead and cut it myself like that. I can even use this last one. I guess I could put it up here. I think I'm just going to leave, no, let's go ahead and use it while we have it. I'll just put it right there. I don't know, it doesn't matter how many you put on. I think I had 11 on the first one. All right, so let's now make our bumblebees. So this is the Ladybug Builder punch. We are going to take our basic black. We are going to punch two of our little ladybugs out. And then I'm going to punch two wings out of the vellum. Let's see, I like to use the ends here. So we have our two wings. Let's move these out that we don't need. And then, like I said, I cut the 1/4 inch strips right here, and I'm just going to use some wet glue, and I put one at the top here, and I'm going to it's going to go over the ladybug because I'm going to trim it around the curve of the ladybug so it looks like it's attached to her. It's easier to do it from the other side too. Just like that, and then we're going to do another one towards the bottom. And just overlap it some and then flip it over and then trim. And then we're going to just add a little bit at the top here. And we're going to give him his little vellum wings. He's so cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute. I thought these were super cute. I just had to share them because I don't even know if they did videos. I wasn't sure. but the two that I saw were two of my good Stampin' Up! Friends. And I don't know if they got the idea from anybody else or... Alright, then let's put his little vellum wings on. Oh my goodness, these are standing up. How cute is that? I don't know how I got those to stand up, but these are kind of standing up. Look how cute that is. I don't know, I'm going to see if I can get these to stand up too a little bit. Look how cute that is with the little wings standing up. I'm going to use them like that. Alright, so now we are going to add them to this, and we are going to use dimensionals again, but on these little bees you need two because you're going to put it over the tops of these. I want to keep those wings up. They're so darn cute like that. So Jean and Leslie, you are the two that I saw. If you're watching this video, thank you for the idea. And we're going to put one here. And then we're going to put two more on the back of this one. And just layer them on top of each other. And then we're going to put, I guess we'll put him over here because I put let's put him here. There we go. So then we're going to use our little classic matte dots, and we are just going to add a little bit of an embellishment to this. Let's see how I can get into this. And I did use 5 of them on this one. So we are going to do the same here. I love the little wings. If you can get the little wings to stand up, they're super cute. So we're going to put 3 here. And I'm going to put, let's put one here and then another one. Since that's where our little space is on this one. And there you have it. Look how cute. These little bumblebees are adorable. Look at how the wings are standing up on here. These I did the wings flat, but they seem to pop up on this one. If you hold down the edge here, it'll pop up those little wings. It looks so cute. I don't know if you mail it, if it'll stay up like that, but it's super cute, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. If you need any supplies, check out my blog because I have a new hostess code on my blog. So I'm filming this beforehand, so I didn't get my hostess code printed yet. But go ahead and check out my blog if you need any supplies, and you can shop right from my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.